So when we get started on our painting, we first have to get our colors that we're thinking about using. And I always like to have my primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and black and white. Then, like, if you want to, you can add some green. I don't have any green there. I'm going to make my own. And I have brown. I'm going to show you the brands that I use of paints. So I'm using Brilliant Red, and it's Dollar and Rowney. And I'm using, I love this, Montmartre, and that is titanium white. I love their paints. That's the titanium white that you see. It doesn't run or anything. It's really nice and thick. All these paints are beautiful. See how shiny they are? Thick, bright, brilliant. They're beautiful. Dollar and Rowney, I'm using medium yellow. Monte, I'm using red ochre. And I have dark blue, Dollar and Rowney. And what else do I have here? Liquid-X. I also use Liquid-X for the brown, burnt umber. And so I just love these. They're really nice. This one's black. This is Artist Loft. So all these paints are really nice. As you can see, they're on my palette, and they're not watery, or, you know, see how shiny they are and how thick and how bright the colors are. So all those brands that I just told you, you can use them in any colors or buy them in any colors, and they're my favorite brands. You know, there's a lot of brands out there, but they're my favorite. This is only 11 by 14. You can have bigger canvases or smaller, but I like at least 11 by 14 and bigger because you get more details. Your brushes, you should always have at least three different sizes of synthetic brushes and bristle brushes, okay? And some rounds and flats, right? Some rounds, as a bristle. And you should also have a 1-inch and 2-inch synthetic brushes for putting paint on there. And a fan brush would be nice. Fan brushes are nice. And liner brushes. So always have at least 3 sizes of all these.